My name is Kelly Lisa, and I currently work for Fame. I am in charge of the strategic growth for new name customers. A lot of times when I'm talking to prospects, their biggest concern that they're looking to come over from another company is basically their reporting and their compliance. Usually what I hear most is they are having issues with their reporting and their compliance, and they're having issues with audits going back and forth. And of course, that's one of the things that Fame does best. I always like to refer to us as the compliance giant in the industry. So once they see all our reporting, we have over 100 reports in our Advantage system pre-installed. And if they're not pre-installed, you can create your own off of any information. So I think that's huge for schools. School owners don't wake up in the morning wondering about their software or worrying about software. They worry about their compliance and their Title IV funding and how they're going to get there and making sure everything is accurate. And having worked with many other systems in my history of my career, 32 years to be exact, I have to say that Fame always did it best. I'm licensed in 5 states, both as a practitioner and an educator. I also have a New Jersey State public teaching license. So I started out in the private sector school with cosmetology, barbering. I was also a state board examiner. Then I veered off and contracted with the state of New Jersey and wrote the first curriculum for a public school to receive an AAS degree in cosmetology and barbering. So I'm really a program developer, big into the education side and operations of a school. Many people don't realize how many hours administration spend answering student questions. How many hours do I have? If I stay Wednesday for 2 more hours, when is my graduation date now going to be? And with our mobile app and how it speaks live time to Advantage, this is all on the student's mobile app. All of the information that the student is usually coming to either the instructors or administration is now right in their hand, from their progress report to their hours, to their graduation date, to all of their finances, whether it be any type of loan or Pell or even personal payment plans that they have with the school, is all in their hand. There's no more line at the administration door asking all of these questions. So I think that's huge. They really love that. And I have to say also the mobile app with the clock in and clock out, it really saves them on the paper as far as, having a student sign in and out, and with the QR codes and not being able to sign in and out for each other. We really tightened that up. And now there's no more recording attendance in the SIS because the mobile app is seamlessly transferring that in live time. So that's a time saver. VFAO has become so popular, and I actually really love talking about this because a lot of schools really do not want to have a full financial aid office anymore in their institution. They really want to outsource it. And what I like about our VFAO is that we actually have our own financial aid office with actual people processing packages, but it also comes with our VFAO Hub, which is a software that allows the school to see live time and full transparency of what our financial aid office team is doing with their students. So there's no more guessing. Okay, I know this student went off for packaging, but they're not in the dark. Now they can see live time every single step that is happening with their students. And it's also taking a lot of the burden off of them. Like we do the disbursements, everything. If they have a student drop, we do the reporting. The only thing we don't do is cut their check. So it really saves the school a lot of time and money. Because if you look into the cost of financial aid officers, it's not cheap. And having VFAO cuts their costs by more than half. So I think once they realize that, it's like a light bulb goes off and it's a big relief. So one of the things I love about working with Fame and the entire team is many of us have come from schools. So we really have a great set of certain people in certain positions that are really, they understand. We understand our clients because we have been in their seats. We've been on the other side. So when we talk to them, we actually understand what it is they're going through. And it does make a big difference. They realize that, we're authentic, we understand them, and it makes it much easier to provide solutions for any issues that they're having. Everyone here, it's probably the best team I've ever worked with. I don't say that lightly. I've worked in many schools or for many companies, and everybody's just really on the same page, really looking to get our customers to a place that they can sleep at night and not have to worry about their audits or their file reviews, from our compliance team down to development and implementations. It's a great experience, and I really feel like everyone at Fame really cares about these schools. How it was for me when I came on Fame, of course, it was a long, long time ago. You're talking 20 years, and we didn't have Advantage at that time. We had Freedom. However, I do understand there's a fear, especially when they're coming on for a full suite all at once. It's like ripping a Band-Aid off, totally transforming your school from one system to another. So I would really walk them through it. Sometimes they want to go piece by piece, and that's fine too. They want to ease themselves in, starting out with our student information system and our mobile app, and then maybe moving into AFA or VFAO, and adding on a CRM. You can do it in steps if you're really nervous. If you're ready to pull the Band-Aid, we'll pull it with you. So it's really what the school is most comfortable doing. I like to make sure that they're comfortable. I think Fame is the best fit for any technical schools. It could be anything that is tech. Cosmetology, barbering, allied health, nursing, mechanic school. I mean, you name it. The CTE programs are vast, and there's so many. And I love the technical field. More people need to go to technical school, I think. So the benefit of having a full suite of products with Fame is really everything's living in one ecosystem, right? So, you have the mobile app for the student experience that is reading live time into the student, or actually it's the student information system that is reading directly into the student mobile app. So the student has something in front of them. Then you have the SIS that's either reading into AFA or VFAO Hub. Everything is reading live time. We own it. It's all cloud-based. It's much easier than hooking APIs with other companies and having half of your system one company and half of another. I think it's very important when you are looking for a company to handle your student day-to-day information systems and your financial aid, that the programs are owned by the same company, because you don't want glitches. You want everything reading in live time, living in that same ecosystem. The implementation process with Fame is, after I bring a customer in and they are ready to move forward, I always tell them it will be about 7 to 10 days, and you will hear from our implementation team. They're gonna wanna book your appointment, and it's always a face-to-face, whether you want Zoom or a Teams call. They really want to get a feel for you and your school. They're going to ask for your school catalog. They're going to ask you for so much information, because it's very important to Fame that when we actually configure these systems, they are configured for your school. It's personalized. We're not throwing a piece of software at you and saying, okay, set it up, here you go, do it yourself. Like, they put a lot of time and effort into making sure that these systems are built for you and customized. Pushback from prospects, a lot of times it could be cost, but yeah, I always say to them, there's cost and there's price. So if you're worried about your compliance and your reporting, and you want to make sure that your Title IV stays in check, I don't think price should come into play. That is my personal experience, because without that compliance component, and without those audits going by smoothly, you're really not going to have a school to continue with. So, you know, I think, and they do understand it. And once they see how the process works and I demo everything for them, they all have the aha moment. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it does this. Oh my goodness, it does this. Yes. So definitely, you know, once they see the whole suite working as one, I don't really get a lot of pushback. I mean, a lot of times, you know, FAME, we are busy, and, you know, it takes time to get all these programs built for every school. So with the implementation, sure, it's maybe 90 days to 4 months till we can get you live, and everybody wants everything now. However, you know, to give customers the good experience and to really give them that personalized system, it takes time. So have to be patient. A lot of it is the attendance with the mobile app, you know, no more going in, tracking attendance, or being able to send out a mass message with the mobile app. Like maybe if you live in an area where there's snow days, you can send out the whole school message. Or if financial aid needs to message one student, they could use the mobile app to message that particular student. Also, our ability to integrate with their payment processor, their credit card processor, to create a pay button on the mobile app. They love that. They also love how we can create groups for them or teams within Advantage. So if they have revolving curriculums, they can add the start of a program, all those students into one group. So they can bulk grade, or they can bulk attendance if they're not using our mobile app. There's a lot of features that they say, oh, I love that. We have a lot of great integrations, especially with CRMs. We have Edular and we have Why Not. Both are very robust. I think that is like the icing on the cake, kind of like the cherry on the sundae that goes with the full suite, because automating your admissions, having that digital experience, being able to enroll the student digitally, sending them their documents, and having them able to e-sign those documents and send them back. I mean, it's a big help managing their leads, keeping track of all their leads. So we do have a lot of integrations. We integrate with a lot of payment processors, which is great. And we also integrate with a lot of curriculum and companies that people are using their LMS, which will integrate into Advantage or Freedom.